Bottom line, there are many ways forward, and we can hit that renewable energy target. And if next-generation nuclear is also included, one plan has the possible 2030 energy mix transformed from one relying on fossil fuels to one that looks like this. With renewables, sun, wind, geothermal, biomass, and hydropower totaling 61%. Fossil fuels down to 13%, and existing and new nuclear making up the balance. Another plan meets world energy needs with only wind, water, and solar. And in fact, there are many feasible paths to a sustainable energy future. Today's technologies can get us started, and a commitment to research and innovation will bring even more possibilities. We've traveled the world to see some of the sources the planet offers to meet our growing need for clean energy. There's too many options to cover all of them here. And besides, each nation, each state, each person must make their own choices as to what works best for them. But the central idea is clear. If we approach Earth as if we have an operator's manual that tells us how to keep the planet humming along at peak performance, we can do this. We can avoid climate catastrophes, improve energy security, and make millions of good jobs. For Earth, the Operator's Manual, I'm Richard Alley.
Earth, the Operator's Manual, is made possible by NSF, the National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin. For the annotated script, with links to information on climate change and sustainability, online tools to help you save money and energy, educator resources, and much more, visit pbs.org/ETOM, ETOM. Earth, the Operator's Manual, is available on DVD and Blu-ray disc. The companion book is also available. To order, visit shoppbs.org or call us at 1-800-PLAY-PBS.
When the settlers first came to America, the forests were so thick that you could barely see the sky. But a growing population cleared land for farming and burned wood to make charcoal. Soon, the East Coast forests disappeared. But it's possible to use trees sustainably. In Brazil, in a town named Carbanita, a local cooperative harvests fast-growing eucalyptus to feed their charcoal furnaces. Close by, an international steelmaker plants vast areas of trees. One Brazilian environmentalist claims his nation's entire steel industry could offset all manufacturing emissions by growing eucalyptus to capture carbon dioxide. If we marry lessons from the past to practices designed for a sustainable future, Earth's forests and our planet can survive and thrive. Almost 2,000 years ago, the first emperor of China created an army of terracotta warriors to guard him in the afterlife. The bodies were mass-produced, but skilled craftsmen gave the faces personality. Today, it's wind turbines and solar panels that are being mass-produced to protect the environment, while the warriors remain a wonder of the world. In this century, China will create new wonders to help Red China turn green. We're used to looking at Earth from space and marveling at its beauty. But we need to understand the natural forces that shape our planet to protect that beauty from the effects of how we use energy. As the sun warms Earth, it sets air into motion. And we've begun to harvest the wind. In turn, the wind delivers energy we can capture. Tides sweep in, and new machines are being built to harness their daily ebb and flow. Add up all the sustainable resources the planet offers, deploy all the ingenuity our species can summon, and we can more than meet our need for energy. If we look at our planet with eyes informed by science, and with the respect its beauty demands, and with the insights of an operator's manual. Beyond broadcast, Earth the Operator's Manual also includes outreach events at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences, the Fort Worth Museum of Science and History, the Reuben H. Fleet Science Center in San Diego, the Science Museum of Minnesota, and the Oregon Museum of Science and Industry. Science centers have the latest information about climate science and sustainable energy. Visit them in person or online via Earth the Operator's Manual at pbs.org.